Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do this cut off my profits quest in Escape from Duckov. So what you'll need to do is get some scavenger kills and kill rampaging scavenger. So these are the headshots required. So make sure to have a gun for the long range and come right here next to the forest path to this camp. And basically here we will find rampaging scavengers. They are red like this, as you can see, and they require headshots. So basically do the headshot and try to do a headshot. As you can see, we are rampaging scavengers. Let's see if our... Okay, I only did one headshot. So as you can see, this is the kill rampaging scavenger. And for the other scavengers, is just explore the world and you'll find those. Maybe go right here next to the bridge and there will be other scavengers. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.